Welcome back, everyone. Today we're looking at a major price driver that many are underestimating. And it's not just coming from the Bitcoin spot ETFs. Public companies are currently buying Bitcoin so quickly that they're outpacing the ETFs themselves. We'll break down exactly what the inflows show, how the numbers have been developing, and what this could mean for the price. Right now, institutional treasuries hold around 17% of all Bitcoin. The leading company, Strategy Inc., alone controls 3% of the global supply and hit a brand new all-time high in July. Since the April price low, the accumulation rate has nearly tripled from 3.76% to 10.33%. In concrete numbers, in April, about 30,093 Bitcoin were purchased. By July, it was 97,138 Bitcoin, nearly 70,000 more. That's more than in December, even though the percentage increase back then was higher. Even November, when Donald Trump was elected as the crypto-friendly U.S. president, could barely compete. That month saw the record with 32.41% or 147,891 Bitcoin bought in just 30 days. Why does this matter? Simple. When supply shrinks while demand stays the same or rises, the price goes up. Let's take a look at the exchanges. In 2021, around 3.5 million Bitcoin sat on crypto exchanges. Over the next 3 years, that only slightly dipped to 3.25 million Bitcoin, a 7.14% drop. But since Trump's election, the trend has gone vertical, downwards. From 3 million to 2.46 million Bitcoin today, that's 540,000 fewer coins, a 24% drop in just a few months. For comparison, in the 3 years before that, the decrease was only 250,000 Bitcoin. Annualized, the outflow rate is now 907% higher. If companies keep buying at this pace, currently around 720,000 Bitcoin per year, and with only 0.28% of all public companies invested so far, the entire current exchange supply could be gone in just over 3 years. And here's where Bitcoin Hyper could add even more pressure. This project doesn't just make Bitcoin digital gold, it turns it into a fully usable Web3 asset. At the core is an SVM bridge that locks Bitcoin on the main layer and issues is one-to-one as a token on a layer 2, redeemable at any time. This layer 2 runs on Solana, one of the fastest blockchains in the world with hardware acceleration. The result? Millisecond transactions, ultra-low fees, and theoretically unlimited scalability. That means Bitcoin instantly becomes DeFi ready. Tokenization, NFTs, AI integrations, gaming, everything's on the table. And beyond potential price appreciation, holders can also earn yield by providing liquidity. No wonder investors are piling in. The Hyper pre-sale has already raised $7.99 million. The token is currently priced at 0.0126 cents, and this stage ends in less than 2 days. To sum it up, public companies are buying Bitcoin at a pace that's visibly drying up the market. At the same time, technology like Bitcoin Hyper is massively boosting Bitcoin's utility. If both trends continue, supply could become scarce much faster than most people expect. The pre-sale link is down in the description. Check it out and see for yourself. Until next time, stay bullish.